Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some more questions of June 2017. These are the questions from set C. So let's see the question. This is question number 12. Consider a circle of radius r, fit the largest possible square inside it and the largest possible circle inside the square. What is the radius of the innermost circle? So here four options are given. Now see the solution. So here, given a circle of radius r, fit the largest possible square inside it and then largest possible circle inside the square. So first bigger circle is ABC, you have seen the figure, and the largest possible square inside is ABCD. In ABC, and I have to forget that fourth point. You just see in the figure, and then the dash line, see the inscribed circle inside the square. So here, now now see, we have what we have to find, what we have to find out here. We have to find the OD, that is radius of the inner circle we have to find. So for that we have to find the side length of the square. So for that we have to consider the triangle OAB. In OAB, OA equals to OB, which is equals to R given. So this, you know that in square the two diagonals are mutually perpendicular. So that triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. So we put here the Pythagoras theorem. So for that, AB square is equals to AO square plus OB square, which is equals to RR. So we have to put the value here. So AB we get R root 2. Now AD is the half side of that square, which is equals to the triangle AOD. So what for that we have to find the base of that triangle. So for that we have to find the half side of that square. So now AB is equals to R root 2. Its half is equals to AD or DB. So for that we have to feed the value. So R root 2 by 2, on simplifying we get R by root 2. Sorry, here I have written AB. It is not AB, it's AD. AD is equals to R by root 2, which is the base of the triangle AOD. So now in triangle OBD, yeah, AOD, we have to see here OD is the radius of the inner circle. So we have to find it here. OB square is equals to OD square plus DB square. So from the figure, OD square is equals to AO, yeah, OB square minus DB square. So on putting the value R square minus R by root 2 whole square, so we get R square minus R by root 2. On simplifying we get 2R square minus R square by 2, so it's equals to R square by 2. So transferring the square to the right side, so you get under root here. So OD is equals to R by root 2. So radius of the inner circle is R by root 2, which is given in option number 1. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now see the next question. This is question number 13. In how many ways can you place n coins on a board with n rows and n columns such that every row and every column contains exactly one coin? So here see the solution. N coins on a board with n rows and n columns. Condition: every row and every column contains exactly one coin. So for such question, consider or suppose a number of rows and columns. Example, if you consider 10 rows and 10 columns, then the board forms having 100 spaces. So now if we put a one coin at a place, remaining is 99. Again, if we put one coin at a place, then remaining is 98 ways. In the same way, after placing a coin, remaining ways is reduces by 1. Means you have the one less chances to place that coin. So where you have to put that coin. So 100 cross 99 cross 98, in the same way it goes up to 1. Until unless the last coin has to be put, it has only one space. So in such type of arrangement, it is written as factorial form. So now placing the value, you have to consider the n equals to 100. Now you have to put n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 1. So in this way, this is equals to n factorial. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Now this is question number 14. A 100-meter long train crosses a bridge 200-meter long and 20-meter wide bridge in 20 seconds. So what is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour? So see the solution. Given 100-meter long train and 200-meter long plus 20-meter wide bridge in 20 seconds. So what is the speed we have to find here? So now consider the total length is equals to train length plus bridge length. So train is given 100 meter and bridge length is given 200 meters. So its total is 300 meter. Now the time taken equals to 20 seconds. So you know that speed is equals to distance upon time. So you get 300 meter by 20 seconds. So on simplifying, you will get the uh, uh, turning it into turning it into kilometer per hour, because speed is always in kilometer per hour. So you get 54 kilometer per hour. uh, Solution means speed, so 54 kilometer per hour. This is given in option number 3, so which is the correct answer for this question. So this is all about the present video. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe.